All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-350 XLE model, 15-passenger wagon, silver with black interior, premium sound systems, or actually AM/FM CD player, Onyx, all that good stuff. Only 32,000 miles in this vehicle. Best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. He's a front driver's hubcap. Let's check out your tire thread. Cheers. At the line is 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. This quarter looks pretty decent. I see this molding piece has a little dent here, and a little scuffing here on the molding here. That's about it. Here's your rear passenger, rear driver's hubcap, and your tire thread is just under 730 seconds. Double checking it. Yeah. All right, keeping it moving. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Thought I just had the key, and I do. Does come with the one key fob combo and owner's manual. Let's check out pictures for more details. All right, got your AM/FM CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. It's got your backup camera, phone. Got your AC controls right down below. You got cup holders there. Steering wheel controls on this side. Really, it's not steering wheel. I guess so. And then this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on, and you shows your mileage of 32,510. Very nice. Keep it moving. Coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Doors look pretty good. This door out. Swing them out. This is, of course, what your cargo area looks like. 15-passenger vehicle. On the 12-passenger, you wouldn't have this back row, so all this would be space, cargo space. Anyway, here's your rear. This is what one of your doors looks like. Very nice. No molding situation to it. T-350. So what your other molding looks like. Climb up this ladder real quick. Check out your roof, which looks fabulous. Looks fabulous. All right. This door looks good too. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread. Just under 730 seconds. These doors look pretty good. This one here does have a little ding. That's about it. This door looks pretty good. These seats. So of course, just side cargo area looks like. These seats, no holes, no tears, no rips here. Does have rear running ACs and AC controls right up there. This seat looks good. This rear door and this rear seat looks good, and that fourth row over there looks good as well. I've been back there, so I know. All right, this one looks good, and this door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to this one. Fender looks good. Front passenger hubcap. And your tire there. This just under 730 seconty seconds. Lights are working. Car is running. Folks, once again, this is the 2017 Ford T-350 15-passenger wagon with 32,000 miles. If you guys got any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.